Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning on how we can fix the USB tethering not working on any Windows easily. So the very first thing we need to do is to go to the troubleshooting window. And to do that, simply go to your Windows search tab there and then type trouble. And then you will get this troubleshoot settings option under best match. So just simply click on that. And then once you do that, you will get this other troubleshooters option. So please click on other troubleshooters. And then here you will find this network and internet option. So please just click on this run button here. And then it will automatically diagnose the problem and detect the problem in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And it will troubleshoot automatically also the problem. So it will automatically fix it for you. And then once you're done doing this one, just close this window and then make a quick restart with the device. And after doing the restart and it's still not fixed, then we will go on with the device manager. So here, just make a right click in the Windows icon and then go click on this device manager option. And then once you click on that, you will get this window here. All you need to do is just to go to the network adapters. So please make a click on the network adapters, double click on that to expand. And then choose here a USB option. So if you have the USB option, please make a click on that just like this one, and then click on the update driver here button. And then once you click on update driver, please select the search automatically for drivers option. Now once you do that and it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then we will click on this back arrow here and then we will proceed with the second option, which is browse my computer for drivers. Now once you click on that, click on this let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And then here you will be shown with the compatible hardwares or hardware driver versions that you have here. And all you need to do is just to select the latest one and then click on this next button here to automatically install the driver. And then once it is installed and it says that the Windows have already updated your driver, then just close this window and then we will proceed with this USB connector managers. So here you have the USB device. And then just make a right click, click again the update driver, and then we will do the same process, which is to go to this search automatically for drivers option. And then when it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then we will be going back and then select this second option, browse my computer for drivers, click on let me pick. And then here you will be shown with the compatible hardware. All you need to do is just to select for the driver that you have there that is latest, and then make a click on that. Click on this next button here and then it will be automatically installed. And once it says that the Windows has successfully updated your drivers, just close this window, make a quick restart with your device, see if the problem is already fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then we will proceed with the run window. So to do that or to open the run window, we will just make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on this run button here. Once this run window is already open, all you need to do is just to type here NCPA. So I'll just type it in lowercase letters, NCPA .cpl, and then once done typing, just please click on OK or enter. And then once you have done that, just simply select here the unwanted or unused adapters. And if you have found them, just simply disable them. And to do the disabling process, just make a right click on the adapter and then click on this first option, which is disable. And then once you do that, it will be disabled from your device. Just take note that the unwanted or unused adapters should be the ones that should be disabled. Once you're done with this one, close this window and then make a quick restart with your device and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.